Subscribe to Get Curried and press on the bell icon to get regular updates on the recipes. Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. When you hear the word Mughlai, you usually associate it to something royal, right? So today let's cook something royal. A simple dish from the Mughlai world which is called the Mughlai Chicken. So I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. I have 4 medium onions which I have finely chopped, which I'm going to saute till they're nice golden brown. To brown these onions, it's going to take us good 15 to 20 minutes. The onions have got browned, so now let's switch off the flame, cool these onions and grind it to a nice fine paste. So without using any water, we have ground this to a nice fine paste, and now let's head on with the recipe. So in the same kadai, I'm going to heat another 2 tablespoons of ghee. And once the ghee melts, I'm going to add whole garam masalas. So I'm going to add a bay leaf, 2 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, and a small piece of cinnamon. I'm just going to let it leave its aroma. So I'm going to fry this for a few seconds. The garam masalas have left a lovely aroma. Now let's add the onion paste that we have ground. Now to this, I'm going to add the royal ingredient, which is the cashew nut paste. So here I've taken 1/4 cup of cashew nuts which I had soaked for half an hour in warm water. I ground it to a paste with 4 green chilies, 1 inch ginger and 5 cloves of garlic. And now I'm going to add this to the onion paste. I'm going to saute this till the raw fragrance of the ginger and garlic goes away. I'm going to add some chili powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute this for a few seconds more. The gravy is already smelling good. I have a kilo of chicken here which I'm going to add. And on a high flame, I'm going to saute this chicken for 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's add 2 cups of water to this. I'm going to add some salt. Give it a good mix, and I'm going to cover and cook this till the chicken is done. Chicken usually doesn't take too long to cook. Say within 15 minutes the chicken should be cooked. So we have cooked this chicken for 15 minutes and I'm sure it's done. I can see the meat off the bone. Yeah. So now we'll add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream, which I'm going to beat. I'm just going to add this to the gravy. Mix this well. I'm going to shut the flame and our Mughlai chicken is ready to be served. I'm going to garnish this with fresh cream. This goes very well with a naan or a paratha or a tandoori roti. So do try this dish and let me know.